Okay, guys, I'm gonna be prank calling. And sorry for the gay shirt, it's my friend's. Yeah. If you were wondering. Well, let's let the magic begin.
Thank you for calling Kimax. This is Paola. How can I assist you?
Hello? I was wondering if you guys sold the Argentina jersey, you know?
The Argentina jersey.
And it doesn't matter if it's fake either.
Okay, let me double check. Okay, 1 second, please.
Okay, thank you very much, my friend.
I'm sorry?
No, I said thank you.
Okay, one.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, yes, hello?
No, we only have the Brazil.
We have what?
We don't have the Argentina.
Oh, well, you know, it's my, no, wait.
Okay.
I have something else to do.
Okay.
You know the things that move on the ground for kids?
Uh-huh.
Yes, do you have any of those available?
Okay, let me check. Okay, 1 second, please.
Thank you very much. Hello?
Thank you for holding.
Yes.
Yes?
So do you guys have the things available?
The what?
Do you guys have the things available?
What thing? You were looking for a shirt or...
No, yeah, but then you said you guys know available. So I was just saying if you guys had the things that move on the ground, you know? For the kids.
But what are you trying to find?
Like I said before, it's my kid's birthday tomorrow. I need to get the present, and he really likes the things that move, you know? The things that move like around.
Like something special?
Yeah, like it's the birthday, yes. The birthday present.
No, I mean, you said that he likes something that moves?
Yes, like
Choco ball.
like shut up, wife. Like the thing that move around.
Soccer ball?
Well, not the soccer ball. Those roll around. I say move around. Like the thing that move around for kids, you know. Do you have kids?
No.
Oh my. Well, let me explain. Like they move around, like around the carpet or hardwood. It doesn't matter if it's cheap or expensive, but it still moves around like a pattern. You know what I'm saying?
For what ages? Like,
For what? Oh my. If you have an imagination of a kid, it can be for any ages, but generally for ages 1 to I believe 1 to 11 or 12. You know, it depends on every kid. You know. But yeah, but they move around and kids really enjoy them. And they're usually at the parties. I don't know if you have seen them maybe.
okay, then, can I put you on hold for 1 second, then let me find it?
Yeah, yes, thank you. Yes,
Okay.
that'd be very much appreciated.
Okay.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you for holding.
Oh yes, hello. So did you find it or not?
They're still looking. You have a
The
computer?
kids crying.
What? Yes, excuse me.
You have a computer?
No, I can't afford one.
Or an iPhone or a smartphone?
No, I'm sorry, no.
Oh, do you know the name?
The name of the thing. Many companies make it, but so they have different names depending on the company, you know. But if you can't find that, I have other things my kid would like. If that would be okay, if you would like to search for that instead, you know.
For back to school?
No, my kid doesn't go to school.
Oh.
Cause he I don't like to say this to people, but he's not that smart in the head, sadly. But you know the things that fly? But do you know the things that fly?
Cállate, the kid is crying.
Yeah, the fly.
That toy like to fly?
No, this is another toy. Because it seems that you cannot find the thing that move around. So I will tell you another thing and maybe you can find it in your store.
Okay.
Okay, well, you know the thing that fly like around?
Mas prepare for Hanukkah.
Come on, man! Abala! Sorry for the interruption. Well, you know the things that fly around?
Helicopter?
Oh no, do you think I can afford a helicopter? Are you serious? No, the things that fly around, like for kids. Hello?
Yes?
Yeah, you know the things that can fly around for the kids?
Jackson, ani bubuan.
For the baby?
No, not for the baby. I will be making a baby soon though, so be prepared. No, but as for like kids, like 11, 10,
For boxing?
for what? Boxing, my friend. Boxing? No, not boxing, my friend. Do you think they'll be boxing around with each other? No. Do you know the one with the rope?
The one with the what? Sorry?
The rope. The rope?
Yes?
Yes, the one with the rope.
The last part.
The toy with the rope.
What's yours? Wait, you don't know the name? Or
In a hot tub.
Like, like I can tell you the brand.
what brand is?
It is Good Toys for Life. Yes. I can tell you also other brands that make it if you would want.
Okay, let me then call someone to find out what's this.
So will you put me on hold again or what is the deal?
Yes, is that okay?
For how long possibly? Because I don't have unlimited minutes like other people. So
Yes, let me. Okay, give me 1 second, and then I'm gonna. Give me a second, okay?
okay, my friend. I appreciate it. Okay, bye bye. You take too long.